that what is. Mommy. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oprah Palmer, and in this video I will be showing you guys how I apply my frontal wigs. Just a quick disclaimer to get it out there, you might see a lot of my family members walking back and forth just because we're at a family function in a different state, so you also might see suitcases. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm applying the glue around the perimeter of my hairline. I use Gold Spawn glue, and I got the glue from Amazon. Around the time it was $12, I believe, but right now it just might be a little bit more expensive. Everything that I use will be linked in the description bar below. So I normally apply 3 layers when I'm applying the Gold Spawn glue, but just because I know I'm going to take this wig off at the end of the night, I'm just going to be applying 2 layers. That way the wig can come off a lot easier than it is when I apply 3 layers. So I applied the last layer of the glue, and I'm just waiting for it to dry a little bit more. I normally wait until the area get really tacky, and then I'll pull the lace down and stick it directly on top of the glue. That way everything can melt right in. Let me tell y'all, I was struggling to get this lace to melt in. Like, not because I'm not used to doing it, just because I had nails on. Like, to this day I don't understand how hairstylists do hair with nails. Like, it was taking me forever to pull the lace down. Like, right now I'm so happy it went through like the first try, but wait till I get to the other side. Like, I was struggling. So after I'm finished combing everything through and making sure the lace is melted down, I'll take 91% alcohol with some cotton or like the cotton swab and like get rid of the excess glue that's around the hairline. I don't know if this works for everyone, but it doesn't really work that well for me. So if anyone knows anything else that they do to get rid of the excess glue on the hairline, just let me know below. So right now all I'm doing is just applying a little bit more glue underneath the section of the lace that did not completely melt in. Sometimes this will happen, so that's why you need to be completely sure, like, to comb the hair through to see the sections that are not melted in, and just get a little bit more glue and apply underneath the section that needs to be glued down. I don't want to do this anymore. It's worse that I don't have a blow dryer. So after I'm finished wiping away the excess, I'll normally start combing the hair through and then do the pull test to make sure the lace is all secured and nothing is lifting or budging or anything like that. So a hot comb is $30 to $40. Like, get yourself a hot comb. It will be the most necessary thing you're gonna need when you're making your wigs or doing your frontal, whatever. And I use it, like, right now I'm just using it to like press out the section that the hair is stuck at, and that's it. But I'll show you how I use it more towards the end. So right now I'm applying the Gold Spawn glue to the opposite side of the hairline that is not glued down yet. The struggle is real. I don't have a blow dryer, so there I am hand drying the glue, and I couldn't even do this with nails on. Like, I had to use the eyelash thing that you use to put your lashes on to pull the lace down, but it worked, so that's all that matters. I said I didn't want it. No, the thing hit it, and I looked up and it reacted to. So now is the real reason why y'all gonna see you need a hot comb. Like, when you're done pressing the shit out, your hair is gonna be on flat. Like, that's why you need to get a hot comb. Get a hot comb and got to be glue, and you're set. Like, that's it. So I'm just pressing the hair right now just so it could look flat. And right now you can see me putting a little bit of volume in the hair, but I'm gonna take it out later on because I didn't really like how it came out, so you'll see in the pictures afterwards. So right now I'm just using the got to be glue and just giving a little bit volume, and then that's it. So get yourself a hot comb. Like, hot comb will save your life. That's it. So for the next couple minutes of the video, everything is basically repetitive. Right now I'm just flat ironing the hair to just get the natural curl pattern out of it, because I just recently washed this hair and I'm basically done. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I see y'all next time. Bye.